made with one of the new copper coils, the 50mm tall copper coil from Mexico. FS is 29 Hertz. QTS is 0.5313. This is a triple stack with the crucible ferrite from the Volcano Audio buyout. VAS is a tiny 1.15 cubic feet. So you can see the DCR. I think it's supposed to be dual 2, but I never measured it. It fit the gap, and I was like, let's stick it in. So it looks like it's a, I would call it like a dual 3, because it comes out to 5.9 DCR. Maybe a dual 2.5, I guess you could call it. Either way, it comes out to about 6 ohms in series. The fucker was really moving. And the fact that the whole thing is fucking detachable. This was a T-yoke from a PA woofer. And then I don't remember where the top plate is from, but it's kind of thick. And then these are bolted with 1/4-20s up through the aluminum cylinders that the boys had a contract with an antenna company, and they had to make, I think, like a couple thousand of these big antennas, and so these are some of the scraps. Got the cool decal. I call it the conversation starter with the cops. It's like, if you want to have a conversation with the cops, just put that sticker on the back. Even though, I mean, I've actually sent that to some people and they've got offended by it. They're like, why would you send me a bird? Why would you send me a fuck you, Patrick? Oh. Take it in the pee hole, that's what I say.